In 1987, Walmart had a total of 1198 stores, which generated sales of $16 billion at the time. To interconnect all these stores and to make their connection to Walmart headquarters in Bentonville, the company set up a network, which was set up with private satellites for $24 million, was the first and largest network in history. Through this network, all 1198 stores could make two-way voice calls to each other, which also included inventory management and sales data. Today, there are 10,500 stores in the world of Walmart, where about 23 LAK employees work. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more exciting videos.